I have a program now called the Wolf Pack. So you go through the mark sequence and you go through the foundation material. All the members of the Wolf Pack are going to go through this together. See, it's not easy. If becoming a great player was easy, everybody do it. So you have to be one of those special people who have a real sincere desire to improve. See, when you have a desire to improve, you have energy, you have motivation. There's something inside you wants to get better. So you're not in this alone. I don't want you to be alone. I want you to have the help and support of the fellow wolves. And the way I have it set up is genius, because one lesson is you master it, and then 3 or 4 lessons down the road, one of the shots come up again. You master that. And what I've done is I figured out, what do you need to become a world-class player? What shots do you need to make? What are the shots the pros are making that you need to make, that you need to look at as routine shots? And so I've put them in the Monk 101 program. My first shot that I'm going to shoot is the play position for the 9 down in that corner pocket. So I go over there and I stand next to the cue ball and I try to call upon my myelin, my muscle memory, to deliver the stroke to make the 8 and to get the position for the 9 in the corner. Now I'd like you to shoot both balls. Now I'm playing to make the 9 down in that corner pocket.